No.
That's funny because you just recited that song for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that. No, wait. I do remember some. What are you talking about? I have a good memory. Just not when it's used up all day. I only had 4
so
hours
like
of
a
sleep.
computer?
Okay?
Your mind's like a
Yes.
computer?
Weren't you only in class for
You
like
have to
4
put it-
hours?
Upload it.
I went to sleep, okay, at 4 o'clock in the morning. And I woke up at 9. What is that, 5 hours?
5.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I had 5 hours of sleep and then thinking all day. So, you know, after a while.
All day?
I was in school from 11 to 1:50. That's all day for me.
God.
You know Eric's
That's
schedule?
I go Monday through Thursday, though. He goes 2 days.
Yeah, but I go for so long.
I know.
From like 9 to
So
9.
why do you think I pick classes that go all week so I could have a little
And
elephant every
you
day?
think that you're...
You eat a little bit of the elephant
I know.
every day.
I don't spit Mr. Chan's words into my mouth. I know them by heart.
That's what Mr. Chan said.
Yes.
Never don't eat, it's not easy to eat an elephant all at once. You have to do it a little bit at a time. When we had to read this big book, so he's like, let's take a bite out of the elephant. He would always say that. But yeah, I remember the
I
sign.
feel like if you have like a little shoulder angel, it'll be like Mr. Chan.
Sign.
Or your conscience. Should I do this? Mr. Chan, take a little bit of the elephant at a time.
But you
Gosh,
know,
I'm
my
gonna take this
teacher
with me next time I go
right now
downtown.
is teaching us a way
Hey, let's
of
talk about the
solving
battering.
identity thingy with
Dude,
with
it's
the
awesome. That thing
negative
actually flies.
with the
Still
negative
trying to catch it.
property
But yeah,
crap
beat someone
stuff.
I haven't been
Yeah.
But I use
Imagine,
a
like, Good
triangle
Friday.
for everything. I don't use a sine, cosine, cosine.
They should train with battering.
Like if you have,
Karate.
I don't remember how it went
I
though.
don't remember how one is.
Yeah, neither do I. Something like sine inverse of like 3/5. I totally use a triangle for all of these. I don't actually do it with his method.
I cubed.
And then like if you want to find the cosine of this,
I just one.
Yeah. That's all I know.
that's not one.
I
I
cubed.
cubed.
Yeah, it is.
I
Dude,
have a boy.
what are you guys talking
We're not
about?
talking about your problem.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, I to the 15th is just one. So what you do
No.
is you make a triangular
17.
Spanish candy.
figure, and then
Spanish
you
candy.
go opposite over.
How many hours of sleep that you had?
Spanish?
And then is this a 3, 4, 5
Yeah.
triangle?
You sure?
I don't know. I actually like to do it.
I don't know what the
So
hell you're talking about.
25
what, a squat?
minus
confused.
9.
Yeah.
Watch. No, it's gonna make
No.
sense. It's gonna make
It's
sense.
going
all
to
right
make
now.
sense.
Oh,
Okay,
it
I'll
is.
be back in a minute.
So square root of 16.
Wasn't this
But you're
strip-
not gonna get
Wasn't
it.
this strip blue at one
Okay,
point in
what is
time?
the deal with
No,
the
no.
towel?
Was it a different one?
What?
They don't rip
That would be
evenly.
4.
Whatever. God.
So that means
So mean.
cosine
Only
of
star in the show. I don't know if it's like-
3/5. This would actually be negative.
You have a lot of keys, Benjamin.
That's not
I
one.
know, I'm kidding.
Holy crap.
Of negative.
Oh, my hand is still wet.
So
Really wet.
that would make
Committed a
3
murder.
negative. So that'd be
With water?
hypotenuse over.
You killed
So
water?
Shut
that'd
up,
be
Church.
4/5.
You killed
But
Kool-Aid
we
Man?
have
His? I
to
thought they were
say
his.
No.
I was like,
That
Laura. I was like, that's
that
not his mom's
pi
name.
over 2
Oh, God.
is x is greater than equal
Only you.
to pi over 2. No, negative.
You can
pi
do that,
over
but you can't
2
do eyes. Really? You sure?
to pi over 2.
This is
And then
good.
that's 4/5 because adjacent over hypotenuse. Yeah. So that's your answer.
Oh.
See, what our teacher teaches us,
Cool.
I know.
what our teacher teaches us is this method. You know that sine is 3/5, so you would say sine a squared theta plus cosine of squared theta equals 1. And then you would plug this in, so
I
3
don't
over
like the eyes.
5, and then
The eyes are
square
watching.
all of it, plus cosine
Just remember to put them back.
equals 1. Squared, that would be 9 over 25. And then you
Found
would,
it.
this one would be
Good.
25 over 25. You would subtract 9 over 5. So subtract 9 over 25, I mean. 9 out of 25, that's 16 out of 25. Then the square root of all of this would be 3/5, but you have to know that it's in a different quadrant, so that would be negative. See, that's like you do all this work where you could have just done a triangle and done it. So I don't do his method. I do my own.
Did you make up that problem on your own?
No.
Why would
It's
you
an
make
actual
up a problem?
How do you remember that?
What problem?
It's an easy problem.
No, but where did it come from?
From homework.
Your homework?
Yeah, we had a homework problem.
I thought you said you don't memorize things.
I said I have good memory. I changed my mind after I.
Oh, you changed your mind?
No.
No.
I just can't do good when I haven't had a lot of sleep. I just become all loopy. So yeah, so I do it my method, where my method's way easier than this method.
Loopy Benjamin.
Look how much easier mine is. You just make a triangle.
Benjamin,
There you
you're
go.
being-
If you break that,
Benjamin, you're being loopy.
It's not like she can go to Spain every weekend, you know.
Yes, you can. It's like a hop, skip, and a jump away.
Yeah, on a plane.
On a plane. Yeah, pretty much. Before they detain you, and then you're forced to sit.
What kind of experience have you had?
Sine, cosine. Oh.
What?